Welcome to this video on how to request a Llama model using instances with H100 GPUs. As you can see, I'm already in the OVHcloud control panel and I previously deployed a GPU instance with 4 H100 GPU cards because the model that will be deployed requires about 200 GB of GPU memory. Our first step in a terminal will be to connect to the instance using SSH and install vLLM, which is a fast and easy to use library for LLM inference and serving. Once it's done, we can start inference of the Llama 3.3-70B model. vLLM will download the image from Hugging Face. So as a side note, I just need to mention that due to licensing, you need to have a Hugging Face account and a token ready for the download. Once the model image is downloaded and locally accessible, we can make a simple request. For example, let's ask who got the most gold medals during the Olympics 2020. Now let's execute our request to the local API. As you can see, we just got the result. Everything went well, and now the model is running and ready to be used.